proceed to the center. Helping welcome our contenders from the Lilas Army. Please proceed to the center, guys. I will no longer call your names one by one. And now, presenting to you as well the competing team for our championship match from Miloy Volleyball Club, Team The Legends. Ladies and gentlemen, our team is competing for championship match and officiating our tournament for this afternoon. Our second referee, Mr. Luel Arisa, licensed professional teacher, major in BS Biology. Our first referee is Mr. Juani De Los Santos, all the way from East Coast College of Catilla. Once again, players, shake hands and good luck to your game. Okay, there you have it. Once again, good luck to you guys. And once again, daghang salamat sa tanang teams na nagsabit sa ato ang one-day league volleyball tournament from Seal Padataytayan Volleyball Club. Amo sang pasalamatan na kinaiyan nato mga sponsors ug gitabang sa amuha pag-prepare diriha. Of course, we would like to thank Honorable Ruben Cabrera and Honorable Conskek Caballero. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta. Of course, we would like to thank as well Honorable Councilor Dionisio Magno Sr. for of course extending his blessing to us this afternoon, for giving us some sumptuous, of course, snack this afternoon. Daghang salamat. To the officers of our Taytayan Volleyball Club, thank you very much. Ugwag dahil nanakaw pagkahuman sa atuang tournament kay Mang Ricos o Martino kaya sa atuang venue. Of course, again, acknowledging our each team. Again, salamat. Taytayan Integrated School Men's Volleyball Team. Maglahos Men's Volleyball Team. Tumbitik Check Taytayan. Of course, the Lilas Army. To the Virgins and of course to Catilla Vocational High School. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan ug galaygon ng Diyos. Serving for our first set. Error for the team captain. Score for Lilas Army 1-0. The Virgins, nice first ball. Score for the center of the Virgins. Raymar. Ang mahuway sa air, bonita karon. Parang pinsa. Kalawin ko na ni Barles. O niyan ang tambal, pinsan ka daw ni Barles. Lahat sa Barles. Service error for Peloton. Score for Team Lilas Army. Score for the Virgins.
Ada apa sabi no, kita. Oh ya, kami na kami.
Ada yung dami. Di, ato ko Dio, ato ba? Sama di ito na ilamok. Wow.
Serve. From the center. Score for Lions Army. Paliho ko, PIS, the officers, walay golden river dali sa pipas, sa fourth contest sa award. Paliho, mag-divide ka, Paul, Tim, Rafael, before midnight, kailangan si Miles dali mo sa fourth sa Lilas Army. Thank you, boys. Score, sabi mo ko yan eh. 3 serving 5. Close serve, 1, 2, 3. Up. Defense. Headache. Balik nato. Pina. Tataas. Defense from the top. Ay! Sarado to. Buha. Pabalik. From the center. Jersey number 14. Score 4 serving 5. For our set number 1 for championship match. Another good serve by Ignacio. Ball and over. Score for Team the Virgin. We have a deadlock 5-all. Another good serve. Good first ball as well from Baras. Good defense at the back. Itataas ni Loto. Pina! Axel! Puha pa po. Inilagay! Sumabot sa bubong. Score! 14 to Virgin. Divergence or Divergence? Divergence yan. Sorry lang. Natanggal isa pa star ni Lina. We'd like to once again give thanks to our sponsors for this one-day league tournament. Honorable Ruben Caballera, Honorable Pep Caballero, and of course, Honorable Inicio Magnus Sr. Salamat! Ipatanay sa Lando ng Diyos, miscommunication from Lions Army. Napailing lang ang center kay akin yun. Di ba, Marcy? Sorry. Score for the Baggies or the Virgins. Now serving, Lakata. Close serve, turns up. Tumaas. Isa pa. Hindi. Iboka. Ay! Roll cover. Tinaas ulit. Adjusting. Rodgers. Isa pa. From the center. Hala. Ising. Kapag nabutan. Lina. Isa pa. Score for Lilas Army. Diba? Kung nakalunok ang adrenaline tablet. Antay ng tignan. Serving from Lilas Army. Score, Miami. Pila. 7 serving 7. Pila. By a coach and a powerful six-time bouncer of the Virgin. Score! Miami 8 serving 7. Pasa ang bola na ang trapo sa pool, paliho. Okay ra? Okay, serve na ta. Sige laban. Now serving the middle, striker, jump the block. First ball, nakita. Alab using his towering height to drop the ball. Wala siya, ikaw hit sa taas. Power ka lang. Defense to sila ilaw, pa siya kabot mati. Very good, sir. Nice up by Vina. Vina! Ay! What? Score for the Virgin. 9 pila. Maya. Maya. 9. Serving 8. Fly high, Maya. Fly high. Serve. Pasinta! Score for Team Linus RP. Hindi po ang laban natin, mga kaibigan. Another deadlock for our both teams. And for this match. Stop. Ay! Lumamang po ng isa. And the Virgins score 10, serving 9. Serving for our set is Telecom. Babu, maulan pa. Gusto din mo tigulan. Mahala pa. Ay! Sinumpit. A point again for Team Linus Army. Si Ipoy. Poy, alis ang Poy. Nakutuyo, Poy. Uli lang sa ko si Mas. Si Mas na lang, Mas. Nakutuyo, Mas. First ball. Ay, ball that over. Another deadlock, I think 5th deadlock for this set. 11 all. From the opposite to wide. For Linus Army, score 12-11. Habang po ng isa at nagkakabulan lang ang ating mga kupunan. Nice game we're watching right now live here at the Italian Multi-Purpose Gym. Gusto mo po next sa pwede rin po. Kasi kaya gusto mo po next. Start by Chibigaya. For the center! Score for Linus Army. 6 deadlock of the set, 12 off. Point po again, dagang salamat sa mga tanan. Dagang sa po ang mga sponsors ni General Spiro. Pagawad Ruben, nice step by Lagata. And of course, to Pagawad Ken Caballero, dagang salamat kaayuan sa burger, and of course, pag-lecturing sa ito ang mga officers sa Bantayan Volleyball Club. Lahit na ritual. Naman, sarap, edge. Nako. Magang salamat kaayo, nabusog daw si Tunic sa victory. Ang victory, no, from 22, pagbalik na ako, 6 na lang. Sabi ko po din mga tayo na pawatan mo. Sabi ng mga officers, pag-awas. For Gillette Ignacio, all the way from San Antonio City. Sinong star ba ng Tangbal Dina? court of Lilas Army. Suway, boys, hindi mo po pangalan nila hari. Karoon pa kung nag-line dash ka ng lingkod. Dali mag-lingkod ang mga line dash. Di ba dyan po, hanggang yun? Di ba kinon? Content mo sa worker. Simpa nga yung Saturday. Brilliant step down from Ayan. Jersey number 14 of Lilas Army. Score, Miami 14, serving 16. Dalawang points na hapon ng Lilas Army. Okay, sarado at ituan. Serve. Time. Pinamera. Depending hindi. Kukuha ng punto si Pina. Galing pa lang niyang pusok sa tanluan ng gabi. Di ba Pina? Ang punta doon? Saan anak ang punta doon Pina? May big. Kasi pangalan ako mag-baby Pina. Thank you, Rob. Napakabait mo na, Rob. Sana buhay ka ng surgery. Shout out the latest sa Mendesa. Sir, next ball. Tunga! Low score. 18, serving 14. Lumulobo na po ng apat. Walang naman sa King of Virgin.
Nagulog pero
The Virgin. Big score. Score for Lilas Army. 15, serving 18. Serving 18. Set number 1 pa lang po kung nagkakainitan na ating labanan. Diba? Ito na ha? Ay. Ganito na pagkapulong ka rin sa bilikid. Diba? Resulta sa tuwa sa Balibitoria. Karoon. Survey. Ito yung blocker. Alam.
Malo pa. Sunduan ako.
Serve. Isang basay. Ay, pinuto, no?
Ang pinakadugaya ng sute. Pinakadugaya ka nila. Ang pinakadugaya sa Away sila na.
Kakayanin ko Romar, kakayanin. Bawit dito sa Italia. Ball not over, score, 14 the Virgins, 20, serving 16. Again, more points ahead for the Lilas Army.
Ano makasuot, sir? At hindi makasuot?
For 14 the Virgins, 21-16. Salamat, Rob. Set ball called by our referees. Score 14 Lilas Army, 17 team serving Guatemala. Ignacio, nagpapakita siya kay San Antonio. Welcome to Mount Gold Style. With an accredited resort from Costa Siling, Queensland, Long Beach. The home of Mamba Barak. Ako, Barak. Brought to you by DPWH Oriental. Ladies and my car. Sir Harvey, ang panasin your presence. Dagang salamat sa sound system. Ang mic. Nahirang po Okay, Lattice Army serving. Good serve. Maligayang panunood po sa ating Madagyan ko na siya, lenders mga tata, di naman tata visitor din. Di mo tayo binagko din ang sponsor. Official mo nung tanda no, kung magtrabaho ta no. No. Sino hangin dula, magpapalay dula, di mo trabaho. Ito ang laban natin. 1 point na lang pinahalo ng Lattice Army. Score! 22, serving 23. Sir. Pasok na pasok ang bola ni Kakata. Set point, 14, the Persians. Nice one, Mars. Ganahan ko, ate. Hindi daw pinito pa rin. Makabulit ko pag-ula. Congratulations to the Perkins. Won for our set number 1. Okay? We'll proceed to set number 2. Again, for the information of everyone, this is a 2 out of 3 sets match. Our championship first and second match will be a race to 25 points, and our third set will be race to 15 points. Si King Palmera. King Palmera. Okay na ka? Ay, ako. May pangalan eh. Itawag ka naman kami. May pangalan. Sir Harvey. Ano ka rin disinfect ha? Ah,